Echoes of Robert Lee Frost. A Journey Through the Ordinary. Listen to the story carefully. Story 45. The Tuft of Flowers. I walked through the field, scythe resting on my shoulder, sunlight warm on my back, when I spotted a small tuft of flowers left uncut. They swayed gently in the breeze, bright against the green, and I felt a sudden connection to the unseen hand that had spared them. I remembered past walks, past work, and how others had shaped the land with care, leaving traces of thoughtfulness behind. Bees buzzed, moving from bloom to bloom, and I thought of the quiet conversations between life and labor. I paused, letting the flowers' color and persistence fill me with a strange, soft joy, realizing that even in toil, beauty can persist, carried forward by those who notice, who pause, who honor the small gestures that link one life to another. Now listen to the poem. Scythe rests on shoulder, sun warms back, I see flowers, a small bright track, uncut, swaying in gentle breeze. Connection blooms unseen, at ease. Past walks, past hands shape the land, care left traces in green and sand. Bees hum softly from bloom to bloom, life and labor whisper in the room. Pause and notice, color bright, beauty persists in simple sight. Soft joy fills chest, quiet and true, gestures link one life to few. To honor small acts shapes the day. Threads of care in work and play.